In primetime news this evening, Jamaicans warned to stay alert as tropical storm Melissa barrels towards the island.
State says emergency systems in place to respond to tropical storm Melissa.
And police kill 5 men in alleged confrontations in the last 2 days. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Kalisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, thank you, Kalisha. The BOJ has intervened in the foreign exchange market for a third time in the last 3 business days. But why? I'll tell you later in the business day.
And Spencer Darlington has a preview of what's coming up in primetime sports.
Thanks, Archie. Well, the West Indies scored an exciting super over victory over Bangladesh today to level their ODI series. We'll tell you more in primetime sports later.
Tell him his nickname.
I won't this time. And Romain is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast. We know that tropical storm Melissa is inching closer to us, or not.
Thanks, Kalisha. Yes, the system is expected to be moving closer to the island of Jamaica over the next few days. We're expecting to have the most significant effects of the system sometime on Thursday, but I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
He's locked, loaded, and connected this evening. We have more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime. But